Our forward leaps. Leaps are a 2-foot plyometric where I'm going to take off on 2 feet, land on 2 feet, but the direction or vector that we're going is forward. There's 4 intensities we can do this at. There's light, mid, ping, and deep. Light is going to be our lowest intensity, and we're going to start there. The focus here is just getting off of the ground quickly and effortlessly, like you're a ball bouncing off of the ground. The second intensity is mid. This is going to be like the light intensity where we still want to focus on getting off the ground quickly, but we're just going to add a little bit more height. Okay? The third one, the most intense, is going to be ping. The focus here is really more so on the height that we are getting here. So that way that's bringing in more or higher ground reaction forces, but we still want to get off the ground quickly. It's just our primary focus now is on height. As a result, you will have slightly longer ground contact times, but again, you still want to get off the ground quickly. The fourth intensity we have is the deep intensity. These ones are going to have the longest ground contact times. You're going to kind of yield into your landing. And I want you to think about your hands touching the ground on each jump before you go to the next one. That'll hold you accountable to the depth. Okay. Think about it almost as like a frog jump. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. On your light, mid, and ping intensities, those are true plyometrics. I want you to think about you pulling your toes up towards your shins while you're in the air. That's going to put your Achilles tendon on a stretch, so that way when you jump, when you go into your next jump, it's almost going to uncoil like a rubber band elastically. So that should look like this, with the toes pulling up towards your shin, not your whole body doing that. It's just pulling your toes up towards your shin. And that's the main focus here. All of them are still going to have, getting off the ground quickly. It's just as you go up higher intensity, the focus becomes a little bit more on height, but still getting off the ground quickly. And that's how you do forward leaps.